Going on YouTube, Centex Collector here with another quick, easy video DIY. This is on my Ram 1500 Limited 2020, and basically we're just going to upgrade LED lights in your vanity mirrors, which a lot of people may seem pointless, but I like to customize stuff, have my vehicles different. Always trying to upgrade, even if it's the smallest little detail. To me, I'm gonna own this vehicle for a couple years. I did this video on my 2020 Durango, which I recently traded in for this Ram. So just doing a lot of the same upgrades to make my vehicle unique. So let's take a look. I've already done one bulb, so you can see the LED on the right and the non-LED on the left, with the yellow, with the bright over here. And then did the driver's side already, super bright. So basically all you're gonna need, this came in a 4-pack, which I'll show the link from Amazon. And really all you're gonna need is 2 screwdrivers. I used the 0.8 to pry off the plastic piece, and then that 1.8 millimeter to take the bulb out. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna cut out, come back in, pry this off with that 0.8 millimeter. There's 2 spots right here. Well, actually there's 4, but you can do either side. Just need to get 2 out and pry it out. And then we'll put the new LED in and close it all up. Alright guys, we got that plastic piece off here. And like I said, just use this small flathead here, so that way you're not gouging. This plastic's pretty soft, you're not gouging the plastic here, and you're not scraping, putting scrapes on here. And then basically you just take your bigger screwdriver here and just pry it right out. Simple enough, might be a little hot. And then you're just gonna pop your new one in. Make sure you have the positive symbol up top. And all right, there we go, we got that one popped in. If it doesn't come on, then just flip it over. It should be the positive sign up top and negative down bottom. If not, just flip it around. And then easy enough just to pop our plastic piece back in place. And simple enough, you got your LED vanity lights. Might be a tad bit bright for some people, but whatever. Just another quick, simple, I think I paid maybe $8 shipped for those 4 lights for the vanity. I need to check the rest of my lights here. I think the rest are probably LED. If not, I'll swap those too. But yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.